How to renew your MTN WakaNet Fibre connection for the fastest internet in Uganda. So visit the My MTN app, let it load, and then click on WakaNet, just right there in those quick tools. Then click on WakaNet Fibre. After that, click on Renew Subscription. Then here you should choose whether you're paying for yourself or for another number, which I'll choose Pay for Self. Then click Proceed. Then after that, you click the package that you want. But here, as you can see, they've given me a discount of 100 Mbps at only 44,000 shillings, yet it was originally at 99,000. So let me tap on that. Then you choose your payment method, whether airtime, MTN mobile money, or a bank account, which I'll choose MTN mobile money. Then it will prompt me to enter my PIN to confirm the payment. Then after entering the PIN, it will charge me, then my subscription will be successfully renewed. And I'll enjoy the fastest internet in Uganda. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tech tips.